Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Madrasi Soul. Today we will be cooking carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa or however you want to call it. So this is one of the most favorite recipes for myself and my brother. I learned it from my grandmother, so this is my grandmother's recipe. So this is the first dish I ever learned to cook. So I would love to share this with you all. So let's start. First we need some milk and then 100 grams of koa, 6 elaichis. So now first take the koa in a bowl. So today I used kalakand because of the lockdown. I could not find koa. So the alternative was kalakand. So you mash it well and then you leave it aside. So now for today I have taken about half a kg carrot. So half a kg carrot serves about for 4 to 5 people. And oh, that's my cat Simba. So I usually grate it in the medium whole because I like it. I like the texture that the medium whole gives than the big one or the smaller one. So the choice is yours. That's absolutely left to you. And yeah, interesting part, this peel I usually keep it aside and I use it later. I will tell you towards the end of the video what can we do with it. So let's relook at the ingredients that we want. So we have the milk ready, we have half kg grated carrot, we have sugar, ghee and the koa in the milk and the dry fruits. So that's it. We just need these ingredients to prepare carrot halwa. First you add a little ghee in the pan and heat it, and now you can add the cashews and fry this until it's slightly brown and then add the raisins so we can avoid the burning of raisins. So raisin cooks really fast, so it's better to put it later. And now once you see the raisins start bloating and cashews turn golden in color, now you can remove it and keep it aside. Now add the remaining of the ghee and remove those particles if anything is left over because we fried cashews first. And once the ghee is hot, now you can add the grated carrot in it. So now the entire point is when you add grated carrot, see the carrot has to cook really well in all the ingredients, like in each of the ingredients. Like now we have to fry it well in the ghee. So I usually prefer a low flame for cooking carrot halwa because it kind of cooks well and enhances the flavor. And so keep cooking this raw carrot, grated carrot, until the smell is gone, the raw smell is gone. Once you see the raw smell is gone, now you can add sugar and cook it in sugar. So once you add sugar and cook it, you find it kind of caramelizes. So the process until now would have taken us about 35 to 45 minutes easily because we cook it on a low flame. And once you see the caramelization has happened, so now once you add the koa, you can keep mixing it and you can leave it. And once you see the ghee starts floating, you can add rest of the milk. So now the koa cooks pretty fast and the ghee leaves sides very early, say about in 15-20 minutes. So once this is done, you add milk. So now all the ingredients in the carrot along with milk has to be cooked for about another hour or an hour and a half. See, I take so much time because I do it in the sim flame. If you keep it in medium, it's alright, you might take lesser time, but I always suggest you cook in a sim because it's halwa and it has to be really cooked well. So now you add milk and you see that the ghee starts floating. Keep mixing it, cover it, leave it aside, and once you see this bright orange color of the carrot, that's when you add the dry ingredients, mix them and leave it aside. So I usually prefer slicing the almonds instead of cutting it in cubes. Both the ways work, whichever you prefer. So now once you see this bright orange in color, add the fried cashews, raisins and the almonds which is sliced and mix it and leave it aside. So carrot halwa can be eaten hot along with ice cream, or it can just be eaten like that. It is generally preferred to be eaten warm to hot, and it can be stored for about a week or 10 days easily in the refrigerator. And voila, the carrot halwa is ready. Enjoy! So in the beginning of the video, I was mentioning about the peel. So you can drain the water off and dry it under the sun and make it a powder, or you can even directly use it. So it kind of has a healing property. So any inflammations, pimples, wounds, you can apply on that. And it also protects you against UV rays. And also consumption of carrot in general elevates your mood, builds your immune system. So a lot of benefits. So I hope you try this and let me know your comments below. Enjoy your carrot halwa and a healthy skin.